How to replace the SS Coil Set from ARBUDA Torpedo Mini Gas Fogging Machine. Disconnect the ignition wire carefully. Unscrew both sides of the coil net set, one on the left, one on the right. Remove the nozzle gently. It's a delicate part, so handle with care. Slide out the coil net set from the machine, towards the right. Inside, you'll find the old SS Coil Set. Hold the center nut and slowly remove the side nut. Start from the left. Inside the center nut, there's a small steel valve. Keep it safe in a clean, dry place. Place the valve back into the center nut. Fix the new SS Coil Set properly, as shown in the video. Close the side nut and tighten it while holding the center nut. Reinsert the coil net, set into the machine, and align it correctly. Tighten the side screws securely. Reattach the nozzle, make sure it's clean and clear. Reconnect the ignition wire. That's it. You've successfully replaced the SS Coil Set in your Torpedo Mini Fogger.